People protect what they love. All of you who love the sea, help us protect her.
Welcome to Under the Sea, the Carriacou Sealab. This is the first hydro villa in all Caribbean and second Sealab worldwide. Today, we will discuss 1. How it works, how to become a Sealab technician, how to get your PADI Aquanaut C card, the SGU Marine Biology, 5. Engineering experimentation, and finally, explain surface support. 1. How it works. It is like a glass you turn around and push down in the sink full of water. The glass is this 1,000-gallon tank you are sitting in now, and the sink is the ocean. From surface, we provide air, power, food, and communication. 2. PADI Sealab Technician. Become a Sealab technician and get revenue, as a technician is needed to be present for any Aquanaut mission. Let's see how good you are. On your mission form, write 1. The oxygen percentage. 2. Carbon dioxide ppm. 3. Carbon monoxide ppm. 4. Temperature. And finally, 5. Relative humidity. 6. Write what you do see from outside camera 1 and 2. 7. What is the first name of mission director today? You will need to do a VHF radio call. First, press and hold button 1 and say Sealab base. Sealab base. This is Sealab. Do you copy? 2. Release the bottom 1 and continue to read the following text. Number 3. PADI Aquanaut Diver. Become an aquanaut by living 24 consecutive hours under the sea. The performance requirements are 1. Knowledge development. You learn the history and development of underwater habitat. 2. The structure, the advantages, and the life support. 2. You'll do 2 exploration task dives. Night dive is optional. 4. SGU Marine Biologist. St. George University in Grenada offers a marine, wildlife, and conservation biology program. 1. Students may choose to do a practical stage where they will observe, analyze, restore, and become aquanaut in Carriacou Sealab as part of their bachelor degree. Number 2, the practical postgraduate research is offered in Carriacou Sealab. Number 5, engineering experimentation. 1, internet communication with hotspot and habitat router. Number 2, get oxygen from water electrolysis. Number 3, get fresh water from electrolysis of hydrogen. Number 4, Wi-Fi camera for time-lapse monitoring. Number 5, CO2 scrubber reversal with surface air or oxygen from seawater. Number 6, dry transfer. Number 7, self-support. For further detail, go on the website carriacou-sealab.com. Number 6, surface support. 1, the umbilical will provide air supply by 2 compressors, VHF communication, and power 12 volts and 240 volt AC. The wet supply will be fresh water, underwater camera, canned food. For the dry supplies will provide fresh food, clothes, tablet, phone, analyzers, lights, sheets, towel. For further information, just go on our carriacou-sealab.com. Thank you for participating to this quick introduction to Carriacou Sealab. Please return your mission form when you exit.
A big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day, out in the sun they slave away, while we devoting full time to floating.